Here we are, Meadow Park Trail. Yes. Watch the slope, cyclist. Is that wonderful? Nobody here. Got lost. Found my way in. Google, with your capacity of understanding of this planet, could you tell me why these trees are green early spring? Sorry, I don't have internet connection. I can't answer you. Do you need power? Do you need internet? Well, I need power for my legs. Going up this tiny little slope. Oh, it's going up. Yes. Hello, internet. Could you tell me? Alexa? Hello, Siri. Hello, Alexa. With both your understanding, why are the human beings always connected to the internet? Oh, they haven't come across a natural path like this, sleeping in bed. They walk the path, sitting in the couch, watching you on this trail. So there we have it, folks. It's a how are you? Good morning. Very well, thank you. And so here we go, folks. And that's what happens when you disconnect from internet, but you connect with the society, with the creation. Not the society, but the creation. Look at this lovely vine going around that tree. Made all the necessary nutrients living off. That's in perfect harmony. Both living side by side. The creep and the moss that is around the creep, protecting its skin for the bark. Anyhow, hello Siri, could you tell me why I'm always enjoying the walks, no matter what time of the day? The smiles are out, the smiley face. Does Siri know about why people are smiling? Oh, sorry, internet is down, I'm grumpy. This is how. And I want to smash my little device in my hand, which gave me all the information, and I want to now smash because I have no internet connection. All those apps, all those maps are frozen, don't you think? What's really frozen is your head, because you never unfreeze. You'd rather be frozen with limited information that is not real. What's real is that water flow. It's trying to go to the ocean. Yes. And you think you're going somewhere, but you and me and everybody else, no matter how you try to fit your and fix your health, this limited life here wants to go back to the earth, to become soil again. So, a brief time, a brief moment, why don't you just live the full stride? Yes, full stride on uphill. It's not a joke. It's a workout in itself. So let me carry on because my arm holding on to this. Look at this feather, folks. Pay attention to everything around you. You will respect every life in front of you.